All right, guys, we got a first 2012 Toyota Prius hybrid. Sexy red, got custom wheels. It's the only Prius you'll see with a muffler system done to it. Anyways, got factory converter there, another converter there, then this hybrid contraption there, then 1.5-inch pipe out the back, and then we did a muffler delete and installed a vibrant muffler. As you guys can see, resonator I mean. Right there, part number 1790, right there. And then we also installed the tip, right there, 3-inch tip, to complete the look. As you guys can see, came out beautiful. It's the only Prius with a vibrant muffler, and then it's got a baby rim right there. That's cool. And then he's got all the logos, everything blacked out. I like it. That's how you need to make all Priuses look cool. What do you guys think? Do you guys agree? It looks cool with the Prius muffler and vibrant resonator on a Prius. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Hit us up if you're in the area, or just come say hi. And like always, guys, hit that subscribe. I'm sorry, guys, it's wet outside and it's loud. So, yeah, and it's cloudy. So there's a lot of resonance noise in the background. Ah, it's a Prius. Again? Again! Not bad. Here's the sound decibels. .7. Prius. Again. Not bad. Gonna back it up, or it starts raining. Rev it! Rev the Prius! Rev it! If you ever wondered what a Prius would sound like with a vibrant, here you go. It's lowered, got a body kit on it. I like it, it's different. Here it is from this side. Definitely deep. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. The 2012 Toyota Prius with a muffler delete and a vibrant in its place. See, even Priuses need exhaust, even though they're quiet. Something's better than nothing. Hybrid technology. Toyota Prius. Not bad. Where's he going? He could have like went this way. I don't know why he went that way. He chose the hardest way. But maybe, oh, he's gonna do a drive-by in the Prius. We got a drive-by in a Prius. Heck yeah, that was perfect! Yes!